Hi everyone, today we will understand IAM roles and MFA, and I will show how why they are important securing access for our AWS resources, and I will show you the step-by-step guide how we can set up MFA and IAM roles and with the users. Okay, now I am logging with my AWS resource in Pita account. I'm already logged in. First you can type with MFA, otherwise you can go with your account. Just I'm going to account. Sorry, and directly go to MFA. Click MFA. Also, it will be open. Yeah, you can go with IAM as well. Just I'm deleting all the existing users. I have previously done a lab. Just I'm creating the user underscore. Yeah, I will go with the project type in user. It will be depend on the username. One employee, it will be like one employee. And provide a user access to AWS console as optional and give the option. Going to view. In real time, you need to give this option is recommended because you don't want the user password what they are doing activities. Okay. First, I'm creating project hyphen user. Okay. And password I'm giving. Create next. You can attach in the policy as well. If it's possible, you have already created one group and the other policy and doing the policy with this way. EC2 access. EC2. I'm giving EC2 regional access. Okay. Okay. For the typing user, I'm doing EC2 user access. Uh, they have provided uh, EC2 read-only access and IAM user change password access as well. You can cross check if you want any doubt with the existing policies. You can go with like that. So I just cross check. I'm just unchecking because I'm not non-needed. Actually, I'm doing the practical. That's the reason I'm not giving this. Click next. This time attach the policy. So you have to specify which type of policy you have provided to user. Just I'm giving one next. I'm giving read-only access. Create a user. I have to download it better. Downloading folder. Downloaded. I'm opening with my notepad. We have created the user. In the user, have provided the username is prototype in user. The password is this one. Okay. And the user console login because we have to give. Suppose it will be suppose we have a company, a corporate account. They have to specify the domain name. This is my practical. That's why I'm giving this username is getting. I will show you how you can change this customized URL for the user level. Where you go to the option, then the dashboard. Dashboard is about users. This user, you can click. Here you can change the your alias. It's better. If you want to change any other name, I am giving my surname and PM. Sorry, MPN. That's I required this name. I'm giving MPN. The user will be logging with this alias. Okay. If you want to change this name, you can change whatever it will be required. I'm just changing my name. I'm just whatever is required. I'm just giving my name. Okay, actually it is already there. Just giving. Yeah, it's working. The alias name will be changed. Okay. Now, if you want to log in with this web console, you need to log in with this way only. It will be work. The user should be logged in this way only, and we have to provide the username and as well. I am giving the password as well. Yeah, which user got created the password. We are logging with the particular project type in user. I will show you this user we have created. Here also you can go and check project user. Okay. Now in this user we want to in this user they can able to we are providing only read only access. It instance read only access. They can't able to do any action. Suppose I will try to do any changes and test server. Actually, the user don't have any access. Just I'm trying to use test. Just normally for what I'm selecting key pair. Normally, user had not having any proper access. Yeah, here the user don't have any proper access. Then that's why here the problem with the particular user. We are not defined any policy. That's reason the user can't able to do anything. Now let's go to the MFA part. Okay. How we can create a MFA part? First, we need to download one authenticator app in your mobile. I'm using different type of authenticator apps are available in the Play Store. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Sorry, I'm using Microsoft Authenticator. Otherwise, you have to go and download. I am downloading my Play Store. You can type it Authenticator app. Whichever you are convenient, you can go and download. I'm downloading my Google Authenticator app. And next, go to your console. Go to user. The user we are selecting project type in user. In this user, we are enabling the MFA. I am enabling MFA. In this, you can type your device name. I am giving my mobile name. and click next. Here there was a 3 options. Just a moment. Here there were the 3 options. You can, I'm selecting only Microsoft Authentication app only. Okay. Just closing. I'm selecting only Microsoft Authenticator app only and go click next. Once moving my name. Yeah. Actually, previously the name we are given not properly. That reason it's not taking. Yeah, I will show you. Let's go back. First you click enable. I can provide the device name and providing my better. I'm go with the proper device na iPhone. I'm using iPhone. I'm using iPhone. Yeah. Then if I'm selecting the Microsoft Authentication app, okay. Select in the selection and click scan. That is plan. I'm scanning my Authenticator app. First, we need to enter MFA code is which was running in your mobile 995793. And text again you have to enter in the what exactly showing in your Authenticator app. And just I'm waiting for 30 seconds. Yeah, it was changed. I'm just updating second one as well. Updated. Add MFA. It was enabled successfully. Now, if we want to the user able to log in, I will show you how they can able to log in. Okay. I'm just going to log out. You should know proper username. Okay. The console ID, you can go with a link. You should get proper link. Then only it will be getter. The username, project, type in user. Okay. We have to mention the password. Here you should update MFA code. Then only it will be work. Because if suppose our password and username should be leaked, we don't need to worry. The user should be MFA. Then only they able to log in. We have to secure our credentials with. Suppose in the nowadays we need to give this type of authentication your Gmail and Facebook or Twitter anything. It will be a good practice. It will be we can fix some issues for our account. We morely hacking things will be happen. If we can secure our our resources. Thanks everyone.